Hello everyone, I'm Sweta Desai. Today in this session, I'll tell you how I'm doing the digital marketing. Digital marketing comprises of both on-page SEO, off-page SEO, social media marketing. Social media marketing, I have a video which I can share the link with you so that you can check it out. When it comes to on-page and off-page SEO, how I'm doing on this. So I'll tell you on this what is the importance of it and all. So when it comes to on-page SEO, what is the importance of it? Because on-page SEO plays a big role on indexing. Because in on-page SEO, the keywords, the H1 tag, the H2 tag, the image SRC, the image all tag, all actually matters to rank your website. Because it's all about the keywords which you are placing over there. So it is the game of the keywords, how you are going to place and all. So that is the thing, that is how each and everything actually matters. Okay, so in this session I'll tell you how I'm working on this and what are the different ways of working on this and all, how I'm doing the on page SEO strategy and different kind of on page SEO strategy, how I'm generating the how I can give you the proper information about what is the site, what is your site issues are there, how to solve it and all. Okay, so let me share my screen to tell you about this. Along with that, I'll share another I'll share the reports as well so that you will get an idea on this, like okay, this is the ways how I'm working on this or not. So this is like recently I work for this client. Okay, so let me show you about this client and all. So the client has asked me like just find out some issues over there so that we can get an idea on this. Sorry, I can show you the client whole details and all. This is just like marketing flow. This is just a presentation I have made for the client. Okay, so this is all about social media channels, on page SEO issue, off page SEO issue, and technical issues. Okay, so this is how I have segmented this so that client will get in clarity on that, how how they can change this. Okay, so when it comes to social media channels, so they have the social media channels. Facebook has 1400 likes, 722 followers in Twitter and all. So the company is established in 2009. Okay, so there, but social media presence is not proper, it should improve. Okay, where they should improve: engaging contents, attractive image or social media post, proper content or value added content either in image or video or G format. They don't they didn't have this thing. And content and contact us is missing in every social media post. They didn't have any contact us information over there. Okay, so that is the thing which I have informed to the client. All right, so this is one social media channel, this is one social media issue they have. Okay, that when it comes to overall issue I am talking about, overall issue is all about like on page issue issues are there, content issue is there, off page issue is there, a technical issue is there. Their H1 H2 H1 tag and H2 tag has no any keywords was there. Meta title and meta description has more keyword more words as per the requirement, as per the because in meta title and meta title has at least minimum 50 to 60 keywords that should have minimum 50 to 60 words should be there, and meta description should have at least 160 words should be there. Okay, so they have more number of that. Okay, content is perfect. When it comes to up page SEO, they have only 300 plus backlinks, whereas is very small number when it comes to any established brand. Okay, when it comes to technical issues, they have CTA is missing image with no alt tag. Okay, that is very important for them. Okay, so therefore I have write it down types of issues over there. Like in on page SEO, they have 63% is site optimization is there, and core pages have critical issues. H1 and H2 tag have no keywords, very simple keywords or general meta description should have at least two keywords related to the service. Many H1 title and description are very lengthy, like H1 title is 70 and character limit, and description is 140 character limit. Okay, And when it comes to like off page SEO, they have like 334 total backlinks, which is very low in number, and 71 links are linked to any domain, because that is very important. So 71 linked to any domain, so that like it means that that is the link to any particular perfect domain is only 71, rest are the valueless. Okay, majority of the backlinks are from like any academy or something like that, which is no any requirement, no proper backlinks, all tag is missing in images. Okay, technical issue, there is no proper establishment of CTA. Average desktop score is 58%, and average mobile speed is 25%, which need to improve. Okay, and content is good. So this is something like when it comes to any website, so these are the issues mostly I can find it out, and I can tell you, okay, these are the issues you need to solve it. Okay, so in this way you just need to check it out, and you need to work on this, and you need to clarify, you need to work on this, so that your website will be more SEO friendly. So what I can do for this, I can give you the keywords for this, and I can tell you like, okay, how much SEO, how much speed score you have, so that where you need to improve, because most of them are technical issues are there, which are associated with this speed issues. Okay, because I have seen many websites, they have very low speed, which is like a bad impression creates in the mind of the customers. Because when like for an example, you are just a customer and you want to visualize any website, so, and you see it takes long time to open it, so in such scenario you will feel very much disappointed. Okay, I can't go ahead with this, it's okay, fine, I'll just check it out later. Okay, in such way you will, this will be your impression on that website. All right, so this is why it's very important to have like mobile speed. Why it is very important? Because right now most of the time, if you see on Google Analytics, you will get like 70 to 80% people. It's not like I'm bluffing, it's something like you can also have a look into your Google Analytics, and from there you will get in clarity on that. If you see 30% people check your website from their desktop, or then rest 70% people will check your website through their mobile. So your website should be like, so as your your website should be mobile friendly, it should open easily from through the mobile. So if anyone click on your website, it should open easily as well. So that's why your website has a great importance when it comes to mobile friendly. Okay, so I can give you all the reports on that, so that you will just try to improvise it, so that it will help you in lot when it comes to Google ranking. Okay, so likewise I'll just tell you all this on page SEO issues, and I can showcase like analytics and all, backlinks details and content. And okay, this is all about this H1 tag, H2 tag, and there are something meta keywords which are there, page titles, page speed, pagination, response, all the things I can give it to you. Okay, so like for an example, what are the H1 tag they have been used over this? I don't feel it's good for me to share all the details with you, like about the company and all. So this is how I can like I can do for the clients. Okay, so there they can also have a look into this. Okay, these are the website, these are the indexable, and how many are not indexable and all, how many keywords they have been used on this. Okay, status code is there, title, what are the title they have been used on this. So each and everything, so I can check it out, and I can make a report on this. Okay, then after that send it to you. Like image, when it comes to image, they are missing, they have like missing like they don't have any kind of yeah, the image src over there, or image alt tag is there, so that is also missing over there. So okay, so that is also very much important for them. So likewise, what I can do over this, I can generate a report, proper report for you, and I can share with you, so that you can improvise that. When it comes to backlinks, so backlinks can be created in various ways. Okay, there are also many ways are there to create the backlinks. Like when it comes to like on page sorry, when it comes to any kind of forum posting, SEO submission, search engine then after that social bookmarking, or classified submission. I can do all these activities for you. And there are also many tools. Guest posting, for that I charge more, just because in guest posting I just write it down the content which is SEO friendly. Along with that, content should be original as well, because guest posting, that will be need to publish in different website which has very good very good sorry, the page views, or the very good traffic, so that if you post your blog over there, or if you post any of your article over there, so that will get a very good impression, and you will get a good number of traffic from that, authentic traffic from that, and it will generate a good number of leads as well. And it will increase your DA for your website as well. Okay, so these are very much important for your website, which I can work for you. I can create like at least within 1 to 2 months I can create like at least 500 or 300 backlinks for you. Okay, so these are the things, that is the confidence I can give from my end, that this much backlinks I can create for a website, very website, from my end. Like if they want to pay more, then I can do it more as well. It's totally depends on the client, how much they wants to pay. At least like a website should have at least 50 to 60,000 backlinks, or at least 1 lakh backlinks should be there. Because if you check it out, any well established client or well established brand, they have at least 50 to 60,000 backlinks are there. Okay, this is how you need to work on this. All right, so this is the importance of the backlinks. So that's why I can do both on page SEO and on off page SEO activities. When it comes to keyword, what are the website I use? I don't have any paid website. I usually use that Uber Suggest for that. Okay, that is for sure, because I don't have any paid service. Because if I'm talking about Moj or SEOs and others, then they are actually have a very good months. Their price is very high. Okay, which is not easy for me to afford it. So therefore, what I can do, I can give you the proper keyword from Google keyword, or else I can just get it from the Uber Suggest, because Uber Suggest is very good, like SEO, like keyword friendly. Along with that, the price is quite minimal for me as well. So therefore, I always go ahead with the Uber Suggest for keyword searching. But if you have any pet subscription for Moj or any other website, you can share with me, so that I will give you the keywords as per your requirement. All right, so this is what I can do for you. So if you have any issues on your website, just let me know on this, so that I will give you the clarification on that. Okay, what are the things you need to do over this, and what are the changes you can do for your website, so that it will looks good and all, so that you will get a place on your website on Google. Okay, so these are the things that actually matters. If you want, you can ask any experts as well. All right, so I hope you got an idea about this. Hope you like my video. Thank you all.